So this punch I'm making today, in Jamaica we call it strong back, right? And the meaning behind that is that it invigorates your body, it gives you a lot of energy and protein, right? And there's a lot of other scientific, also sexual benefits behind it and whatever. But we won't get into that. I'll just show you the recipe and you can apply it to your life however you need it. So for this strong back, we're gonna need some oats, some peanuts, supplement, vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, right? So right now I'm just put in about a cup of peanuts. Yeah, about a cup of peanuts and about a cup of oats. I'm gonna use the old-fashioned oats, raw old-fashioned oats, so that you get the real nutrients out of it. We're not gonna use the quick oats, right? So let's just go ahead and blend this up a little bit. Alright, so after we finish blend this out a little, so that it's not whole in our drink, you can go ahead now, put in about a tablespoon of cinnamon. You can just judge it a little bit, it's fine. So yeah, about a tablespoon of cinnamon, some nutmeg, about another tablespoon of nutmeg, right? And then what we're gonna do is about 2 tablespoons of vanilla. I want that nice vanilla flavor in this. About 2 tablespoons of that will be fine. And then we're gonna use our nutriment. You can also use supplement. Supplement is really good too. Our nutriment is made by Nestle also, so same thing. So we got entire can of nutriment in there, and we're gonna top it off with some unsweetened vanilla, unsweetened vanilla almond milk, right? And then we're just gonna blend this up. Alright, so last but not least, we're gonna add some sweetened condensed milk just to sweeten it up a little bit. You can also use brown sugar if you want. This is about a quarter cup of sweetened condensed milk. You can use brown sugar also. Brown sugar will bring out the sweetness. And I know a lot of people won't be, they're not used to drinking stuff with so thick. So what you can do is you can add more almond milk to it, or even regular milk, just to make it not so thick. Now that our drink is done, we can just go ahead now and serve it up. No ice needed. Just pour it right in. Look at that. Rich and creamy. Protein from the peanuts, from the oats, really delicious. Now there you have it. The Jamaican Viagra, or strong back as you may call it. Right? Make sure you go ahead, subscribe. Tell all your friends about it. Chef Jabba. Until next time, little more.